Hey, do you want to learn how to double your money in cheap penny stocks in as little as 30 days? Well, there's nobody on the planet that's introduced investors to more stocks that have become what they call multi-baggers. That means doubles, triples, 5x, 10x, 20x. Nobody else on the planet has introduced investors to more of those stocks than yours truly. Now, I just wrote this book, TenBagger Blueprint. It's available on Amazon. But look, I'm not here to sell you a book. Um, the reality is this. Look, they call me the $1 trillion man because I've introduced investors to stocks that have gone on to create over $1 trillion in wealth over the last 25 years. Now, just in the last 2 years alone, we've had 10 stocks that went up between 1,000 and 5,000%, 10x to 50x. By the way, that 50 bagger, the 50x, it happened in about 5 months. It was a stock called CBDT. It went from a nickel to $2.50. Now, I have a stock right now I'm involved in called Nova Mentis. NMLSF is the symbol. I believe that stock is on a very similar trajectory, except I don't think it's going to go back down. I think it's going to go all the way up. NMLSF is the symbol. It's a 5-cent stock. It's a biotech company. They're developing a psilocybin-based therapeutic for autism for Fragile X. And it's a $8 million market cap. They're about to start a clinical trial, a phase 2A clinical trial. They're waiting for the approval to start the trial. If they get that approval, which could be like literally the next week or so, in the next 2 weeks, that stock could be a quick double. It's already up 300% in the last 2 weeks. It was 3 cents Canadian, what is it, the last week, 2 weeks ago. Now it's 9 cents, 2.5 cents US. It's 8, I think it was 7 cents earlier. So it's basically been a triple, right? But I mean, I don't even care about triples. I'm in it to make at least a 10x, 20x or more, right? I got money tied up in this. I got, real money in this stock. I own millions of shares. I'm also a paid consultant to the company. So think of this as paid content. It's everything I say should take with a grain of salt. But look, if you want to learn how to find these stocks, how to analyze them, how to make money, how to avoid getting scammed, you don't want to get scammed. Most of these penny stocks out there, they're pump and dumps. They're fly by night wannabe companies. Get the book, TenBagger Blueprint. It's on Amazon. Everything I know, okay, it took me, everything I've learned in the last 25 years. And by the way, I have done everything in the business, okay? I started off in the commodity futures business. I was a stockbroker when I was like 17, 18. I got my license when I had my Series 3 commodity license when I was 16. I'm doing this for quite a while, right? I mean, I've been in this business a long time. I've met the Jordan Belforts in the world, in the early 90s. I remember when the mob was involved in the penny stocks on Wall Street back in the 90s, okay? Everything. I been there, done it, right? Now, guys, if you want to make big money, again, look, I'm expecting to have at least 5 stocks this year that go up at least 1,000%. I think this year, 2023, we're going to have 5 10-baggers. I can feel it in my, I just know, okay? Look, 2020, 21, we had, like 10 of those 10 baggers. And by the way, not just 10 baggers and 20 baggers. We had a whole bunch of stocks that went up, 500%, 300%. I don't count that as a winner. I don't count that as a win. I'm only looking for 10x, 10 baggers only, 10 baggers and up, 100 baggers, okay? You want to learn how to analyze those stocks? Get the book. It's $15. It's going to change your life. Literally, this book will change your life. And if you don't make at least 1,000 times your money, if it doesn't change your life, you're not able to make at least 15 grand as a result of the information, the knowledge that you get here, get a refund. I don't really care. Look, I'm not a author paid guy. I don't do webinars, seminars, whatever, courses. I'm not here to, I don't make money from that. Okay. I make money from the business of stock promotion. My business is making stocks go up. That's what I do better than anybody else on the planet. That's what I'm the $1 trillion man. Guys, look, you got to get this book. Otherwise, you're gonna get screwed with penny stocks. You will lose money with penny stocks unless you get the knowledge in this book. I don't want you to lose money. I need you to make money. Why do I need you to make money? So that you can then put that money to our next deal. We got to keep it rolling. It's almost like a Ponzi scheme in a way. It's like a Ponzi scheme. Okay, I need you to basically make a 10x profit in our next deal, so that you take that profit and you put that into the next deal. You make that 10x the next deal. Okay, I need you to we need to have a lot of money going to these deals, so it creates the velocity. We got to keep that money moving, right? Money, money likes speed. Money likes to move around, right? Doesn't like to sleep. Money never sleeps. Remember that. So again, guys, you want to make big money with penny stocks and you want to avoid getting scammed, you got to get the book TenBagger Blueprint. Otherwise, if you don't have this book, you're just a sucker. Really, seriously. If you don't have the knowledge that's in this book, you're a sucker waiting to be fleeced. I don't want you to get fleeced by these lowlifes out there, especially these Vancouver lowlifes out there. Trust me. Get this book on Amazon. Buy yourself a copy. Buy your friends a copy. Leave a nice review if you like it. And look, here's to your next 100x success. By the way, check out Nova Mentis. NMLSF is the symbol. By the way, that should be considered paid content, that part. Nova Mentis, they're going to have some good news. I believe the next couple of weeks that could send the stock higher. I believe. Again, it's already up. It's already a triple in 2 weeks. And it looks like it's going to go up. So anyway, let me know what you think.